नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। दिस इज JVN डॉक्टर मीनाक्षी सोनी, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ होम्योपैथिक रिपर्टरी, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी, जयपुर, डिजिटल वर्जन 2.0। Today's our topic is Jugal Kishore card repertory. Repertories become voluminous and more complex with introduction of new philosophies and different type of construction. The practitioners found it difficult to put them into day-to-day practice. Few of them found that if the rubric in the books are written on separate pieces of paper, one could quickly glance through them simlimum, and they started to prepare own chits, diaries, different paper cuttings. These efforts mainly given birth to the card repertories. Name of the repertory, Kishore Card Repertory. Publisher, Jugal Kishore Card Publication, New Delhi. Year of publication, 1959. Second revised publication 1967. Third enlarged edition 1985. And printers, MS Power Summers first edition, Kapoor Printing Press second edition, and Agricol Printing Agency third edition, dedicated to Sharda, price rupees 2000 only. Content Part 1 Introduction, forward to the second edition, preface to the first edition, preface to the second edition, preface to the third edition, practical analysis, list of remedies and code numbers. Part 2 Rubric and their code numbers, forward to the second edition. It is written by Dr. J.N. Majumdar, MSc MP Calcutta. He appreciates Jugal Kishore for making this laborious work in spite of this busy professional practice. Preface to the first edition, the author says that it took about 7 years to complete the first edition of the card repertory. About 579 medicines and 3497 rubrics were included in repertory. The rubrics are arranged in alphabetical order and they are numbered from 50. He admits that there are certain remedies which do not appear under any of rubrics, are included and assigned code number so as to enable practitioner to add such remedies in suitable rubrics when his experience and study dictate their inclusion. Most of rubrics from Kant and Bonning Hassan repertories were included in this repertory. The repertory is so constructed that a practitioner can use it either according to Bonning Hassan method or the Kant method. Information from about 91 books was included in this card repertory. These cards are primarily meant for quick elimination of remedies without the risk of excluding simillimum. The elimination is a mechanical process. The rubric number is stamped on the top of each card. For quick reference, a table of content of some important rubrics are given at the beginning of index. He admits that it is not a complete one. Cross reference are also given. Meaning of some rubrics are also given. For example, code number 1570, fever zymotic. The meaning of zymotic has been given within bracket for fever due to specific virus. He gives some direction for the reading certain rubrics. For example, rubric number 1714, bore head in pillow, should be read has head, affection and sensation, motion of head, bores in pillow. The rubric number 0832, waking on the correct way to read this rubric is cough in the morning on waking. Rubric number 0577, read of peristeum should be read as bone sensitiveness of peristeum. Rubric number 1618, read simply. Right should be read as head, parts and regions of internal forehead, eyes above right. The letter C, F or C, which is used as a short form for C, indicate the cross reference and related rubric. For the example, rubric 1617, flatulence in general, we see that Rubric number 2666. Rubric in abdomen is referred to with the letter C. With the help of this, practitioner can select the most similar rubric. For evaluating remedies, he has used two types of holes, and round square holes and oval figure of 8 holes. The latter indicate the high grade and their former indicate the lower grade remedies. So this is about the card repertory, Jugal Kishore card repertory. Hope you understand this session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it.